male female connector. This is an eye blink sensor. I have connected wire like this. Here you will get 3 points, that is output, ground and VCC. This is an relay module in which I will use this ground, input 1 for this relay, and this VR to give voltage to the relay, and this VCC to operate this optocoupler. This is our power supply, a stable power supply in which we will provide 5 volt to our Arduino. So I have connected this battery bank, this 2 battery bank with a switch, so that I give input to this module. After switching it on, I have adjusted this variable resistor to get 5.11 volt, near about 5 volt. Clear? Here I will get the output B out minus and B out plus. This voltage will be shifted over here. This is our buzzer which will work on 3 to 24 volt. So we will give 5 volt to this buzzer. And this is our Arduino Nano. This is our code in which IR sensor will be connected to a D2, and buzzer pin will be connected to D3, and relay pin will be connected to D4. So we are going to connect these one. Here is D2, here is D3, here is D4. This is the sensor's output pin, that will be at D2. Next, in sensor we have to add ground and VCC. Ground is at black and VCC at white. So here you will get ground at the Arduino. Just see, this is the ground one, this pin. Now our sensor is well connected. Next component, buzzer. So in buzzer there is 2 pin, one for ground and another for VCC. At the VCC we will connect it as a output pin of the D3, that is Arduino pin of the D3. Buzzer pin, the buzzer VCC pin is connected at D3, and next buzzer pin is ground. So I will connect this ground over here. Remember the color code. This brown one is the ground and our ground is here. Now the red one is the input, that is the D4. This is the output, and this is the IN1 for this relay, that is the input, and this is the output of D4. So I connected to the D4 to this one, and now VCC, this yellow or orange one, to the VCC of the 5 volt of the Arduino Nano, and ground, that is this brown one, and here's the ground. So I connected over here. Only one thing is remaining, that is VR. VR we have to separately connect it to the supply. We will connect this at the end. Now I have to connect this module to give supply to the Halt. So here I get 2 pins at the output side, one for minus and one for plus, and that is I am going to connect over here. Pin number 26 or 27, it will be the plus one, and next will be the minus one. So it is connected properly or not. Let us check through the multimeter. This is continuity to the ground. Yes, ground is coming, and this one is connected properly. Now the main thing, the VR. I have used the incoming voltage of these 2 cells over here. This is plus, and here I have connected to the VR. So see the code once. The warning buzzer will be for 2 seconds for the eye, and for 5 seconds it will wait and switch on the relay. It will wait that the person has wake up or not. Just click on the upload button, and here see compiling the sketch, uploading and uploading. The code is inside our Arduino. Now let us check the code. Let me disconnect this one and switch on. Okay, now everything is working correctly. Just see the sensor. When the thumb is closer to this one, the right thumb, for 2 seconds the buzzer get on, and after 5 seconds the relay get off. You can see, you can listen the voice. Just see. You can see the light and the voice. You can listen the voice of the relay. Now I am going to wear this glass on my eye, and you can check this. If I am properly blinking my eye, the system will not work. If I close my eye, this eye, then this system start working. If I open the eye again, this will turn off. Now I will connect the system to this powerful device so that this module become helpful for the person. So I am going to connect that series. Okay.